and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck.
Leo.
Leo the truck. Excavator Scoop has invited all of his friends over and made them their favorite treats. Chocolate cookies, fruit, and pies.
This is delicious. Thank you, Scoop.
Oh, the robot's covered in crumbs. There are crumbs on the table, too. And some dirty dishes.
Thank you. I've got to go. I've got stuff to do.
We should help Scoop deal with the dishes.
That's right, Lifty. Robots.
That won't do. We've got to wash the dishes.
The robots are piling up the dishes in the sink. Scoop's brought a big bucket full.
I'll be washing this pile of dishes till evening.
Then let's try and make a dishwasher.
Hey! Let's get some parts!
Robot, everyone's getting parts. Leo's brought a big, heavy tub for the dishwasher. The other parts are here too. The robots are carrying the table back to Scoop's. Time to start building the dishwasher. Let's put a valve in the tub so water can get into the machine. Water will come out of the spray arms. These are the things with small orange holes below and above. What a good job, robots! The table's in place. The purple robot doesn't know where to put the dishwasher. Let's look for a place it can go. It should be built in. And replace some of the drawers in the kitchen. Oh, careful, please. It can't go there. How's the assembly going? A control panel. Racks for dishes. A container for spoons and forks. A door. And this is where special tablets or gel goes so dishes come out clean.
Where should we put it?
The robots have found a place. Perfect.
Now let's load up the dishes.
Plates, glasses. Robot, those are ceramic. You shouldn't play with them. All the dishes have been loaded in the dishwasher.
Aww.
It's not working.
You forgot the tablets.
That's right. Where are they?
Scoop's looking for tablets for the dishwasher. Are there none here? Be careful with that cupboard, Scoop. Someone put too many dishes in there. The tablets are here.
Found them.
You have to take one tablet. Press the button and close the door. It's starting.
That's perfect. Now let's go play.
The dishwasher will keep on working, but when Scoop comes home, all the dishes will be clean and dry.
I'm coming too.
Didn't you have stuff to do?
I've done enough today. Here's the bow.
Lifty and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck.
Leo.
Leo the truck. This is Scoop's house. Let's see what he's up to. The excavator is reading a recipe book. Hello there, Scoop. Are you going to cook something?
Yes. I can't see anything.
That's because it's dark inside the house. Scoop can't read the recipe. A torch. That should help.
So, flour, eggs.
Oh dear. It's not very convenient to hold the torch and turn the pages at the same time.
Boy.
What are you cooking, Scoop?
Pies.
Leo, hi there. Are you coming to visit Scoop?
Yes, Scoop has got a surprise.
There's tea on the table.
Oh dear. Scoop's pies look more like
Oh,
burnt cookies.
Oh.
don't worry. Let's try them. Phew. That's strange. Why aren't the pies very nice?
Because I was reading the recipe, but it was dark, and I couldn't see everything.
What about the torch?
It's inconvenient.
You should have used the fridge instead.
Leo, why don't you help Scoop?
Yay! Let's build a lamp.
Leo has thought of a way to make sure Scoop always has enough light. He's going to make a table lamp.
Hi.
Scoop can turn on the light, read the recipe, and make tasty pies.
I've got everything.
Me too.
I wonder what they're doing.
To find out what Scoop and Leo are up to, Leia has decided to peep through the window.
Here are the nuts, bolts, and batteries.
Leo and Scoop are making a table lamp. That's the heavy base. Attach the parts using the nuts and bolts which Scoop has brought. Make the shade and the fitting. Fix it in place. Put in the batteries. Don't forget the switch. Ready? Look, everyone wants to know what's happening in Scoop's house.
Oh.
There's no light to turn on.
Wait a sec. There's no light bulb. But I know where to get one. And I'll throw the rubbish out too. Spying on others isn't very nice.
Well, we weren't.
We just wanted to help. I've brought a light bulb for you.
Yes, Lifty's right. The robots wanted to throw away some garbage. Isn't that right, robots? Robots?
Thanks for your help. Come in. Scoop, look.
Yes, I see you found more than just light bulbs.
Cars, give Scoop the light bulb so he doesn't get upset.
Thank you.
Turn it on.
That's great. Let's get cooking.
You can see everything clearly. Flour. Eggs.
Mix it together.
Robot, that's too fast.
Pie molds.
Put the mixture in.
Hey, hands off!
Robot, don't eat the raw mixture.
Now we need to wait.
Meantime, let's wash everything up.
I'll look after the pies. So they don't get burnt. They're ready!
Smells delicious!
Time to add the cream. They're ready!
What beautiful pies you've made. Great job, everyone. Lifty and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck. Leo. Leo the truck. This is the robot's house. It's very early in the morning. Robot, are you up already? Good morning. What's that? Surprise! The robot can't understand what it is. Hello there, robots. It's an egg with a surprise inside. Blue robot, drop the egg on the floor and crash! Aha! That's who's been decorating the eggs with surprises. It's Leia. And Leo is helping.
Hello, Leo. You have the parts?
Sure have.
You need to hide the things in the eggs.
Close them up. Let's go and hide the surprises.
Leo and Leia are going to hide the eggs with surprises. And their friends, Scoop, Lifty, and the robots, are going to go on an egg hunt. Think where you're going to put the eggs.
Right. One egg here.
One egg goes here.
Leia didn't like where Leo hid the egg. Too easy.
That's better.
They're all hidden.
Excavator Scoop is coming out of the garage.
Oh. Interesting.
Lifty has found his first surprise. Haha! Where are the robots taking their big egg?
Look what I've found!
Me too.
And the robots.
They're eggs with surprises.
Boys, let's open them.
Lifty, it's going to be great. What has Scoop got? A little wagon. And the robots? Parts of a track. And what has Lifty got? Another wagon.
Let's make the track.
Put the wagons on the rails.
And where are the other parts?
In the other eggs.
But you need to find them.
Hooray!
Everyone likes that idea. Off you go to find the surprises. Lifty is looking for eggs under the broken down car parts. Oh, something round. Is it an egg? It's a headlight.
Found it?
Yes, well done. Oh, and what is Scoop doing? He's not looking for eggs. Is he cooking?
I'm making my own surprise.
He's making chocolate eggs. Yummy. And there's another egg with a surprise.
Yay!
Careful, robot. Up you get. Leia, can you help the robots?
Robots, you're cold. There's nothing there. Warmer. Warmer. Colder. Very hot.
And the purple robot has found the egg. Time to open them all. A train. And what have you got, Lifty? A wagon. Rails. And a bridge.
Oh, but where's Scoop?
Surprise!
Scoop has brought his friends some delicious chocolate eggs.
Let's play with the train. Choo-choo!
What fun! I think everyone enjoyed this day full of surprises. Lifty and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck. Leo. Leo the truck. Leo and Scoop are driving very quickly. Scoop has a remote in his bucket. I wonder what he's using it for. It's a drone. A camera's been set up on the drone. That means it can take photos.
Say cheese.
That's so cool.
Again.
Ah, it looks like the drone's not responding. Scoop's pressing different buttons, but the quadcopter has come back down to the ground.
You've got to charge the battery.
Oh, I forgot.
Lifty's right. Quadcopters, telephones, and tablets all have to be charged.
Now we'll charge it.
Scoop can barely wait.
Is the drone charged yet?
Let's wait a bit longer.
What about now?
We can play with the boat while we wait.
It doesn't fly. Do you know what flies without a remote and batteries? And even without a motor?
What?
A hot air balloon!
Let's make a hot air balloon.
What a wonderful idea, friends.
The clouds are so pretty today, aren't they?
Yes! And soon we'll be up there!
Leia and Leo have brought the parts for the balloon.
Let's start putting it together.
Let's attach the sides to the bottom of the basket so no one falls out. That's the gondola, the space for passengers. Now for the balloon suspension. We'll add the balloon itself to these yellow cylinders. The metal frame. Scoop, are you with us?
Huh?
2 burners. The hot air lifts the balloon up. Some sandbags for the ballast. Gas canisters. We need these to light the burners.
Huh?
Lifty, where are you going? Some firm chains. And the balloon itself. It's deflated now without any air.
For communication.
Leia's putting on the headset and will help the balloon take off.
We need to come up with a name.
And to decorate it a bit.
And to launch it.
The cars have gone to Lifty's shop for some decorations. There's fabric, scissors, and glue. They can cut out pretty shapes with the fabric and stick them to the balloon.
And what should we cut?
Leo's made the sun. Scoops made a splatter.
I am cutting out a bird and a star. It's a swallow.
Scoop, you've come up with a name for the balloon.
Let's go and inflate it now.
Blowing up the balloon requires hot air.
Be careful. Fire's dangerous.
I know.
Oh, the wind blew out the fire.
We forgot to put on a skirt.
Why do you need a skirt?
Scoop, that's part of the balloon. It shields the burner from the wind. Let's choose some fabric. The yellow is too thin and light. Oh, it flew away. The green, that's too thick. But the red's just right.
Huh?
You're funny, Scoop.
What a wonderful skirt.
The skirt's in place. We can take off. The burners are working.
Hooray!
The balloon is filling with hot air.
Oh,
How pretty!
Oh, please don't scratch anything.
like you did with the trampoline.
Once, Scoop the excavator wasn't careful and jumped on a trampoline. He tore it with his bucket while jumping, and it had to be repaired. Lifty, aren't you going flying?
Nuh-uh. I'll take some photographs.
Can I fly instead then?
Of course! Hot air balloon swallow. Prepare for takeoff.
Scoops released the ballast. The balloon's taking to the sky. And Lifty's flying his drone in the sky.
Pilot of the hot air balloon, how's your flight going? Super!
The balloon has gone very high into the sky. Even the robots have noticed it. They also want to fly. And they're fighting over who will go first, as per usual.
Robots, don't fight. You can go fly next.
It looks like one robot's already gone flying.
Say cheese.
What a photograph! Well done, Lifty. Have a safe flight.